Hi everyone, it's me, Melissa, and I've got a special announcement. Yesterday, Color Street announced that they are offering a free gift with purchase for any orders of $25 or more placed during Memorial Day weekend. This goes by your total before tax and shipping and is limited to one free set per order. So don't delay. Head on over to www.sassygirlnails.com to place your order. Now, this limited edition shade, Parisian Peony, it's not going to appear in your cart, so don't worry about that. It will automatically be mailed out with your order as long as it's been placed now through May 27th by 11:59 p.m. Central Time. So please help me spread the word by sharing this video with your friends. It's not often that it's buy 3, get 2 free from Color Street. Thank you, everyone. I hope you have a fantastic Memorial Day weekend. As we celebrate the unofficial start of summer, let's not forget those who sacrificed all for the love of our country. Among the weekend festivities, may we take the time to remember. Thank you. Have a wonderful weekend.